Hey, we're gonna strike gold, matey.
While provisioning for ourselves, we discovered a locked safe in our salon bench.
Somebody left the Cape safe down here. But we don't have a key, so.
The bench started falling apart and we needed the safe out so we could properly fix it. Well, that's not working out very well. I don't know if you have very much experience at
Safe crack.
Should we have called a locksmith?
Yes, it might have like a trigger alarm on it.
Oh, no, you're going larger?
Yep.
But you weren't getting in there. Well, apparently, if you want a good safe, right here, take safe. May be able to find them online. No idea. Well, drilling didn't work, so we moved on to prying the door open.
Yeah, I'm not getting this open, am I?
But now it's nice and damaged.
Oh, that was inevitable.
Oh no, I mean, we could have like had a locksmith come in and the keys.
Now is the first time you've told me you wanted to save the safe. Really?
Oh, I didn't want to save it. I still want it out of there. But we have to get it open to get it out.
Well, there is a way to do it.
Dynamite. Not having any TNT on hand, we moved on to using a reciprocating saw.
It's kind of cutting.
While sawing, Steve found something very interesting. Oh, look, keys. Huh. Try as he might, the keys were just not going to open the now damaged lock and door. Where'd you find those?
Back here. I just reached back there and I thought, I wonder if there's a screw or something back there. And look at what came out.
See, it's been about a half an hour now. How's it going, baby?
You know what? Whatever's in here is mine to keep since you're such a smart aleck about it.
Wow, that was loud. He's got a look of determination.
Look at what the frick, man? Come out.
What?
Ta-da!
Wow. Good job.
That's a hell of a deadbolt. Now the question is, where did they... Don't tell me they just glued it.
No, not bolted.
All right, well...
Then you would have found the key. Then you wouldn't have an anchor instead. You'd still have the
I
safe.
can't believe that this thing is just glued down.
Many weeks later, after making it to Texas, the bench was in much worse shape and we had to get the safe out to repair the damage.
Oh, the nemesis is back. It's the sea safe from hell. Yes, somebody stuck 5200 on there. Basically whatever you put together with it never comes apart. So today, for a treat, we have Debond. Debond. It supposedly melts everything. It's like acid. So it'll probably melt the floor, then it'll melt through the hull, and then our ship will sink. But that's another story for another day. Well, it does turn the rock hard 5200 into a piece of rubber. And I'm able to get some of the rubber out. Problem is, they put about 8 tons of it back there.
This bench is, as you can see, really falling apart now. There's like sawdust on the floor every day. So we've got to get this safe out. So we've decided to disassemble the top of the bench, but for some reason all of the screws are out. Yet,
No.
there it is! There's the screw! turn on. Hey, look at that.
Hey.
Right off. Hey, look, there's a safe.
You know, had we taken that off, we would have seen the keys behind it.
Oh, that's...
Is it glued back there too?
Yes.
I got the thief out.
Wow.
Holy
That is
I don't think they used enough 5200.
crazy. Well, you know what? It's a testament to 5200.
It's a testament to this stuff.
The safe. Pete, do you feel good about getting the safe out?
Not really, no.
No. So we are going to take the entire bench out.
Alright, why is it always the last screw that has to be a pain in?
There. You got it?
I got it.
All right.
Alright.
Ready?
Oh god, it's 5200. Got some wood putty to do.
We were very pleased to see that the floor under the bench was in great shape. One project down, 100 more to go. Thanks for watching. Remember to find your dream and own it.
Safe travels, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, consider clicking like and subscribe so you'll know when all of our other adventures happen.